Okay, let me see everything is up and running as soon as I confirm that. Okay, it's running. I just want to check everything once more. Give me a second. Okay, everything is working. Stream, analytics, health. Okay, that's good. Let me just tweet that I'm live and I'll start the stream. Okay, now that's done. Let me start the stream. Okay, so today's idea is okay. I am on yes, I am on correct. Today's idea is to write an indexer which tracks USDTO asset. So it's USDT but interoperable, or yeah, interoperable you can say. And we are going to see what needs to be done there to index events for it. And we have, let's start with deployments. So I have already gone through bunch of docs and explorers to understand what's happening. So here we have this upgradable. Now go to any transaction. If you see this transaction, okay, more details and decode. So just see this part. We have destination EID. What EID is, ignore that. But we also have EID here, right? So let's see. This transaction was sent to 30383, which is Plasma. So this transaction was sent from Ethereum to Plasma. And similarly you can check here. Hopefully it decodes. If it does, let's see if it does. I think it should work. There is no reason for this not to work, but it can depend on Explorer anyway. Till then, let's see this part, which is tether transfer. Tether transfer is not that interesting for us. It is, you can do it, but right now we are focused on cross chain. So for cross chain, you see this part. What is this? EID. amount sent LD, amount received LD. Okay, what this is, we don't know, and that's the part we need to understand. Also, I don't think I have updated Notion, so let me just update that. And 12 include time, which is 8:30. Okay, what is the stream name today? Stream setting, analytics, no. You can't actually see the stream name. That's actually funny. Okay, let me embed this. Embed and add this. No, that's wrong. I want to copy this. Okay, now you guys can go and check. You guys can go and check Notion. So everything is there. Let me just see what happens when I click on Notion. Where does it take me? Okay, that's cool. All the notes will be in the Notion page. So if you are confused about anything I'm talking about, you should go and check that notes. So we have this event, OFT transfer event to index. Name is OFT sent. Now we need to go to Plasma. Plasma, where is Plasma? Okay, Plasma OFT upgradable, and let's see if we get a receive. Or better, what we can do is we from address, I guess from, you can only can you open the application, actual application, connect. I don't have MetaMask on this. Okay, do they have an example how to transfer? Yes, it says connect, balance. Okay, so my assumption is you can't send to different person. You can send from your wallet to your wallet on other chain. What we can do here is we can open this, search that this address, and see if it has. When this happened like 3 minutes ago. Internal. Okay, USDT0. There is no 3 minutes ago. Okay, there might be, sorry. No, there isn't one. I guess we need to find an older transaction. Okay, let's go for this. Then decode, we have 3011, not 11, 11 111, 3111. optimism. Now what we can do is we can go transaction OFT sent. Here this is the address. Search, and now we an hour ago 20 transfers, send. Okay, it's sent, right? I have to check. Let's go to, okay, they are just, okay, let's open this. No, each, let's open both of the transactions and see the logs. If cross chain burn, packet sent, OFT. Okay, now let's go here, open this, no, logs, and OFT received, and 3. Yes, we did find correct. You can see. So we have to index two different kind of. This is the same contract, right? F03B, F03. Yes. So we need to index two different events, which is OFT sent and OFT received. Okay, let me close this. Not close this. Let's create one. Create an indexer with contract import. Go here. Ethereum OFT upgradable. Okay, now we can do CD PNPX Envio init. Okay, let me zoom in so you guys can see everything. I'm gonna do PNPX Envio init. Then it will ask for name. We can use USDT0 indexer. AVM contract import block explorer, then choose the chain, Ethereum mainnet, contract address, and we want to index OFT received and OFT sent. Rest we don't know what they do, so we are not gonna index them. Let's see what else. No, nothing else. Then finished. Skip, I'll add later. I'll add that later. I have to take this, stop sharing VS Code and then add it. So, but anyway, let me open this file. Open folder, USDTO, open. And I don't know why. Okay. Stop this part, remove this, remove. And we have everything we need, basically. We just need to change this. I think what I will do is I will actually convert this EID to chain ID. That way people don't have to search for everything. Like they know when you search for chain ID, it will be here. So let's see. What else can I do? and I want to change the names. That's names in the config. So the name we gave was for this field, but we want to change this one also. So let me. Okay, two people are watching. That's good. One is me, other I don't know. But one thing is clear, that someone is okay. Anyway, I have. Let's see. Okay. Uh, I'll mute myself for a minute and I'll be back. So we were talking about this part, right? Changing the name. We just want to change the name to something that we can understand and see. Let me check something. Oh, okay. Sorry. Work comes first. So let me reply and we'll see. Okay. Yeah, that works. It was simple. Yeah, tweets. Anyway, tweets are good actually. Like they are on fire. Uh, they are fire. Not they are on fire. Sorry. Um, Sorry about my English, but yeah. Okay. Where were we? We were looking at this, and we wanted to change this part to OFT. I don't know what to call this. We can call USDTO. Yeah, that that should work. And let me hide this. Okay, that's weird. And I want to do pnpm code gen works. And now we want to go no event handlers. Change this. Why this didn't change? Okay, I do have a question now. Why this didn't change? Let me see in the config. No. Oh, okay. Schema. Go to schema and change this. Now it will work. Do pnpm codegen again, and we need to change this. Okay, this looks good. That's a good starting point. Now send and receive. I want to understand what send LD and receive LD means, which is where we need to see the contract. Read contract. Right. Read as a proxy. And now we will go somewhere. Oh, I think we should just go to layer 0 docs, and it should have something for us. What amount sent LD means. Okay, I want to see. And what's the feedback? Post hog. Oh, these guys do have like nice website. I don't know what they do, but okay. Anyway, local decimal. minimum amount sent in local decimal. Amount received local decimal. Don't know. Let me check. Decimal conversion rate 1. I don't know. Is there anything else related to decimal? Oh, shared decimal 6. Reduce shared decimal of OFT. Such an implicit gap on UN max. Let me check. Shared decimal of OFT token code peers OFT version. Okay, what we can do, simplest way of understanding this is, stop this. Open this and this. Now we can see it's 347.45 and our amount here is 347 point this 6. Okay, so I guess shared decimal is the one that we are going to use for conversion. Okay, now we'll change this from address to address. Should we create like, yes, we should. Also, GUID will it be unique? If that will, oh yes. Okay, so what we can do is USDT0 transfer. We can say ID use GUID, then source chain. I guess int works. Then destination chain from address to address and amount. Okay, amount sent int, amount received int. Okay, this will only work if we no what we can do is we can use this. GUID won't exist every time because we are just doing one chain right now. So what we can do is we will warn the user that, so no, we'll throw a warning from indexer that this chain is not supported yet, and I guess that should work. Okay, let's keep this on back burner, focus on this. We don't need these. We'll do source chain int, then from, okay, why even create that? Just ignore that part. We only need this, and we are going to use them here. Okay, let's do code gen, and we won't have these USDT0 transfer. Remove this part, we don't need it. And now we need a mapping, so const chain to EID, no, chain to EID to chain ID. Okay, it generated this. Yeah, we just need, like, I don't know. Okay, ignore this, let it infer the type, and let me open the documentation here. So EID is 3101, it will be 1. Arbitrum is 3110. Chain ID is like 42161. Arbitrum chain ID 421614. Okay, I forgot the last number. Okay, no, I guess I didn't. 42161. 42161. Next is split tab. Next, what? Polygon POS. Copy it. Polygon 137. Okay, Berachin. Okay. Next, ink. Will keep adding support for things that we have, chains we have, one by one. But let's get the core logic working first. Next, okay, no, next is this, right? Yeah. For this it's 10. I know that for sure. Unichain 130. Okay, there are a lot of chains. Corn. Oh, that's a big chain ID. See, Also, we need, someone was asking for say support, so let's see. Flare, say no. Why did I go? Okay, say works. Flare 14. Then hyper EVM 999. Rootstock 30. Then X layer. X layer. Okay, there is no X layer on chain ID, chain list. Let's say 0. We'll just complete this part and then go find plasma. Conflux e-space. Then we have mantle. Okay, it's just repetitive work. Logic will be there soon enough. Monad 143. Then stable. Okay, I'm not gonna work with this legacy, whatever legacy mesh deployments. I'm just gonna focus on these parts. Stable mainnet. Hopefully it's mainnet, but let's see. Stable. Do they show you chain ID somewhere here? Yeah, I guess. They should, right? They should show you chain ID somewhere. Let's figure that out. Appearance setting, no. Stable, more. Okay, in the transaction, do we see chain ID somewhere? Yeah, no, I guess you can't see it. Chain. Okay, I have to Google it, I guess. Stable mainnet chain ID. Why didn't we see this? Stable. Oh, stable was there. Then I guess X layer will also be there. No. X layer chain list. Oh, it's X space layer. I was writing X layer as a single word. Okay, this works. Now we will work on the logic. First, what I want to do is create get or create entity, then set that entity. Const transfer equal to, okay, this can be wrong, so await context dot get or create, and we are going to create that id event.uid. Then okay, I don't know what source destination from to amount. Okay, source eid to number. Okay, that works. What this event dot dot params dot guid. Okay, event dot source, and here it will be again parameters dot to address, parameters oh no, uh I have to see event dot parameters dot, we have source eid, right? Oh, we are, yes, source eid, it will be dot params, and here it will be event dot chain id. What's up with this? Okay, can I just like change this? Okay, I know I don't. Ah, can I straightforward access that dot? Okay, fuck off. Okay, sorry about the words. Yes, no, yes. Okay, no. What's the issue here? Begin can't be converted. Oh, okay. Can I'm not. Oh, no, Naruto. I am. Are you the Naruto from Twitter, the evil one, or someone else? I don't know if you joined. That will make my day. But whoever you are, thanks for joining. Let's see. Back to work. We want to convert big integer to this number. How to convert big int to number? Okay, we just need to wrap this. How to access values from this. Okay. We want to give it a type, and let's see how this goes. Okay. How does, okay, it will be record number record number and number works perfectly. Chain ID type is, okay, that's a number, I guess. And this should work. Let's see. And we'll do set entity context dot set. We are going to do same thing here. Oh yes, we need to update this. Event dot params dot amount received will convert this to number. This is a big int, big integer, and I want to convert it to regular number. I have decimal value like 6 decimal. We want to convert this to number but not directly. Okay, it will be 10 to the power 6 for everything. Here we will use from event.source_id. Okay, I don't know. We need zero address, Ethereum. Let's see, zero address Ethereum, copy and paste it here. Const, can I access, like, do we have, no, const zero address, that works, and add it here from address. Okay, I think I need to update this. Here everything will be 0, and next we will modify it. Just the ID will remain same. Rest we will modify it here. Okay, let's do let transfer equal to transfer comma source destination chain is chain ID, then okay, source will be set, destination will be set in the sent. Here will, I don't know if we should do that. We can just define chains in both, in one of them, and best way to go about it is defining it here when sending the transfer. Then what is remaining? Config, we have source destination. When receiving to address, send from address. Okay, I think it's good enough. We'll just say set chains in OFT sent event. Here we will only set to address, to address, that's it. We'll add to do, check if received, check if received amount is same as received amount from OFT sent event. Okay, that works. I don't even know why we are doing this at this point. We'll just copy this part. Then do transfer equal to transfer. Oh, chains. There is no source, so we'll do chain ID. 0 from address is from, we also need source address, right? No, from address to address, we are setting it here. Amount sent, then 6. Amount received is number event dot params dot amount received. Okay, this works. Now just do context dot set transfer. Okay, and with this we have our basic indexer. Let's see if it works correctly. That's a win for us for this stream. So let's see. Sorry, let's see. run. Okay, we are not getting any error, so that's a good thing. But there is no event also. Okay, good thing doesn't last. Okay, type error. Fail to insert. Okay, there is what? What's the issue? Readable line. No, I wanted to say what's the line where we are getting this error. There will be a line. Which line that might be? Let's cross check the types here. Types we have. Let's open them. We have these, right? It's string that works int, then string, int. Okay, this is a string. This is a string, int, string, int. Okay, now this is where issue might occur. From address string, this is number and number, so this should work. Could we just like clear everything? I'm just changing everything in the Docker, so just deleting the volumes and stuff, not anything interesting. Let's run this with 2e off, true. And we know we are going to get an error, so let's just wait and see. Okay, I guess I can do like Envio slash console. Yes. Invalid input for type integer. We are getting this on first event itself. Can we do like 0 here and 0 here? Okay, this should work. Let me because that's the only part where we can get an error. There is no. Okay, now we know where we are getting an error. It was this part. Also, we are over our time limit, so let's see how this goes. Let amount sent equal to, yeah, it's just converting the big integer. That's the issue. Mm. Okay, let's just use a function instead of doing it. Big integer to decimal, pass it event dot params dot amount sent 6, and same goes here, received. Okay, if this works, we'll see here changes. Okay, no, I think changing it to big integer is the best idea. Oh, sorry, it's a float, it's not integer. We don't need float. Okay, should have thought about it. Okay, now it will work for sure. There is no reason it to not. Yes, it's working. Also, this time is, we can do much better. If you see here, it normally goes above like 1.5k, 1000 to 1.5k. So yeah, okay, we have done this successfully. We have written a simple indexer successfully, and let's see how this goes. Tomorrow we are going to build a dashboard and also update the config to have more. Oh, people are actually watching. Uh, to have more chains, at least the chains that are supported by, what do we call? So I'm completely forgetting it. Hypersync. So yeah, hopefully you like this part of the stream, today's stream, and will be joining me in tomorrow's. And yeah, have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow, same time. Bye.